We usually think of apps for, well, productivity or entertainment. But what if an app could be something else? Something like a compassionate companion for life's really tough moments. Today, we're going to look at a new tool designed to do exactly that. It's called First Light.
I mean, it's a feeling a lot of us know, right? That moment when you're hit with this acute distress or anxiety, you feel completely isolated and you have no idea what to do next.
And that feeling? It really gets to the heart of a serious problem. When you're in that state of mind, trying to find the right support right when you need it, well, it can feel absolutely impossible. And this is the core issue that First Light is really trying to solve. It's this critical gap that exists between feeling that intense distress and actually getting timely, effective help.
What this really means is that so many people are left to navigate these incredibly difficult emotions all by themselves. It's not just a gap in resources, it's a gap in guidance. That crucial first step when you just don't know what to do.
So how do you even begin to bridge a gap like that? Well, First Light's approach is to reframe the whole solution. This isn't just another app. It's designed to be something much more personal, a digital co-pilot.
Okay, so what exactly is a digital co-pilot? Its purpose is really twofold. First, it's there to offer immediate, in-the-moment, calming support. And second, it acts as this thoughtful bridge, connecting your own personal experience to professional healthcare.
Now, what's really interesting here is the philosophy it's built on. It's not just a random collection of features, it's a whole guided approach based on these four core principles, starting with immediate safety and then moving you towards deeper self-understanding and regulation.
So how does that philosophy actually work inside the app? Well, it all starts with a set of tools designed specifically for those moments of crisis, focusing on immediate safety and helping regulate your body's physical response to stress.
And this is so crucial because in a moment of crisis, the last thing you want is complexity. You need a clear, simple path forward. The Get Help Now feature does exactly that. It starts with one simple question, and based on your answer, it gives you direct one-tap access to emergency services, your personal support network, or professional helplines. It just removes all the guesswork when you need clarity the most. Beyond that immediate crisis support, the app really hones in on physiological regulation. Using evidence-based breathing exercises, it gives you these practical tools to directly calm your nervous system, whether you're dealing with a wave of anxiety, feeling totally overwhelmed, or even just trying to prepare your body for sleep. But the app's support doesn't just stop there. Once you've found a moment of calm, it actually guides you on a deeper journey, one that leads towards self-reflection and a better understanding of what's going on inside. This part is a really innovative idea. It's called the attunement field. Instead of making you search for the perfect word to describe a complex feeling, it asks you to just map it visually on two axes, from agitated to calm, and from diffuse to directed. It's a really gentle way to acknowledge your inner state without any judgment. Then, once you've mapped where you're at emotionally, the app offers AI-powered journaling. It gives you these personalized prompts to help you explore that feeling, and then it provides a compassionate summary to help untangle your thoughts. It's kind of like having a reflective partner who's available anytime, and it's all stored completely privately on your device. So this journey slowly moves from just feelings to actual data. The app incorporates clinically validated tools, like the PCL-5 for trauma symptoms or the PHQ-9 for depression, the very same ones that professionals use. This is so powerful because it empowers you to track your wellness over time using the same language as a healthcare provider.
Okay, so you've got this data, you've got this self-understanding, but often the biggest challenge can be communicating all of that effectively. And that brings us to the final and maybe the most powerful function of this digital co-pilot. This is where it all comes together. The app takes all the information you've logged, your journal entries, your wellness scores, everything, and it uses it to draft a letter to a healthcare professional. It literally translates your personal experience into a summary that speaks the language of clinical care.
And what that all boils down to is empowerment. It's about giving you the tools not only to understand yourself better, but to actually articulate your needs with confidence and clarity, making sure your voice is truly heard in a healthcare setting.
And that kind of leaves us with this final thought. We often think of technology as being cold or impersonal, but this whole approach suggests a totally different possibility. What if, when it's designed with real care and compassion, technology could actually serve as our first response, a gentle guide, and a powerful advocate right when we need it most?